AI is moving faster than ever, and this week brought some huge updates you need to know about. Here are the biggest stories shaping the future of technology, explained simply and clearly. Story number one: AI models are getting smarter and more capable. New updates across major models show huge improvements in reasoning, accuracy, and long form understanding. This means better answers, more reliable tools, and more powerful AI assistants for everyday tasks. Story number two: AI is becoming more multimodal. Models can now understand and generate text, images, voice, and video, all within a single system. This unlocks an entirely new category of AI applications: personal tutors, creative assistants, voice agents, and smarter productivity tools. Story number three: AI tools for business are exploding. More companies are announcing features that automate meetings, emails, customer support, planning, and reporting. AI is shifting from nice to have to essential, especially for teams that want to work faster and cut costs. Story number four: AI is transforming creativity. Image tools are producing higher quality art, video tools are generating realistic footage, and voice AI is getting closer to human. Creators can now produce full videos, graphics, and narratives in minutes instead of hours. Story number five: regulation and safety are becoming bigger topics. Governments and companies are discussing how to keep AI responsible, transparent, and safe as systems become more capable. This will shape how AI is used in schools, businesses, and daily life. So, what does all of this mean for you? AI is becoming faster, smarter, more connected, and more integrated into the tools we use every day. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, student, or professional, understanding these changes gives you a real advantage. If you want weekly updates that make AI easy to understand, subscribe to AI Unlocked. We break down the future in minutes.